Okay, so we've seen the trend monitor working to the upside. Now let's have a look at it working to a bearish phase of price action. This is exactly the same as for the trend indicator. We've got, this is on a stock, this is on a 1 minute, this is on a 3 minute, this is on a 5 minute, and this is on a 10-minute time frame. Perhaps if we take the 3 minute as an example, you can see here on the 1 minute, the little pullbacks in price action. This is bearish price action. We're coming down. We have a little bit of a rally here. No change on the trend monitor. We carry on down into congestion. Still no change. Move on down. More congestion here. Now we're perhaps starting to see a sign of a potential reversal into either congestion. We've got a darker blue phase coming in here. Could have gone to darker red maybe. But it's just giving us a signal that perhaps we're going to move into congestion phase and see a pause point in this longer term bearish price action. If we move over onto the 3 minute, we had some bearish price action. Then we came into this bullish phase. And you'll see as we go into congestion, we get a slight change in color, but then we come out the other side. We carry on higher. A little bit of a change here, but no, we're still holding bullish price momentum. Then we get a sharp reaction. We get an almost instant change. This is what I said. The trend monitor can change through the color phases in a prescribed sequence of darker blue, darker red, and out the other side. But on this occasion, we've gone straight through to bright red. We've gone from bright blue to bright red. Then we get a little bit of a pause point. The trend monitor is looking at this and thinking, well, is this actually a pullback or is this a change in trend? So it's just considering that at that point, possibly reverting back into the bullish phase of price action, but then it changes color into bright red on the next one, and then it holds through for the rest of the trend down into the bottom of the trend at the end there. Over here you can see a sort of similar pattern, bearish price action, a little bit of a rally, hasn't changed to bright blue though, comes out the other side into dark red again, into bright red rather. Into a darker blue. Is this a rally into a reversal, congestion, and possible reversal into a bullish phase of price action? No. Changes back to to the darker blue again. We've got a 2-bar reversal here at the top, which if you overlay one candle on the other, you'll get an upthrust candle, be something like this. So there's some weakness there anyway. And then we come out into the bearish phase of price action, and that's maintained throughout. And this one pretty much is universal, goes throughout. As I say, we've got the congestion here, didn't flicker, had a bit of a reversal, bearish engulfing candle on this one. So, that's looking pretty weak. Slight change in color there, and then we're back out the other side into the bright red. And that is how the trend monitor works. It's this constant judgment, assessment of, is this a pause point? Is it a congestion phase? Is this congestion phase going to develop into a reversal against you? Or is that all it is? In other words, is it simply just congestion that is part of the longer term trend? And that is what the trend monitor has been developed to do, with that single principle in mind, to try to help you. And if you use it in multiple time frames in this way, it's just an invaluable indicator to get over this issue we all have of trying to maximize the profit potential from any trend that develops once. Getting in is the easy part. Let's face it, we can all press a button and get in. It's not the getting in that's the hard part. It's the staying in and maximizing what we can. And that's the power of the trend monitor indicator, used in this way in multiple time frames and with the trend indicator. And I'm going to show you that in the next series of videos. But again, as with the trend indicator, you can adjust the sensitivity on this. You can smooth it, you can increase sensitivity, decrease sensitivity. It's like the volume control on a radio. It has that facility in there, so you can adjust it, play with it, adjust it, see what you're comfortable with, see what works for you, fits your trading style. If you're an out-and-out scalper, fine, you might want to have that complete control over it. If you're slightly more, you're stepping back from the price action a little bit, you might want to slow it down a little bit, desensitize it a little bit, so you get much stronger signals when they come along. So, that's a personal preference. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. See you again soon, and bye for now.